Time to make lunch for 10 daycare kids. They're all watching me. I decided to start prepping in the playroom here because the kids were all playing so nicely. I gotta cut up potatoes. And I think that everybody's gonna be sitting here watching me.
I love those.
Solid.
I love those.
You love potatoes?
Yeah.
Me too.
I love mashed potatoes.
Oh, mashed potatoes is a good one.
With ketchup.
Mashed potatoes with ketchup? I'm going to put ketchup on your potatoes today if you guys want ketchup on there. Are you building?
Mom, can I have an apple?
No, they're not apples. They're potatoes. What?
Guess what? Why are you cutting me?
I'm cutting them up so I can cook them up for everybody.
Hey, you know dino nuggets? Dino nuggets are dinosaurs.
Dino nuggets. I don't do chicken nuggets at my house often. It's very rare.
Hey, my mom had it at my house.
Your mom has these potatoes too?
My dad
Or she has this knife?
potato too.
Your dad has potatoes too?
Hey, Mom. Mom, I accidentally put a Daycare.
Oh, okay.
Potatoes. A lot of wheat.
Alright, you get the gist. We're cutting up potatoes in the playroom. And everybody has lots to say about it, right? Alright, here's all the potatoes.
Oh, that's a long.
I had 4 kids watch me this entire time. So I'm going to transition them upstairs and throw this on the stove with some olive oil and seasonings. I'll come get everybody their plate. Everybody sit down. Alright. Table, I'll bring you plate. I'm just going to season these potatoes. Get these going real quick. Avocado oil, garlic salt, and just some seasoning salt. I feel like potatoes just need a lot of seasoning. Alright. We'll take turns with these bigger things, okay? Does anybody want the pirate ship? Anybody want this car?
Not me.
Does anybody want the bus?
Not me.
Does anybody want the carriage? You girls have to take turns, okay? You girls gotta take turns with them. And then I have just a lot of accessories that I'll give everybody a chunk of. What color is this? Orange. You guys could even make pumpkins. Stir this. I already grilled some extra brats. So these are going to end up getting cut up and put in the potatoes with some cheese. We're also going to have corn. And a little witch. I'll see if there's enough Plutos to go around. I'm giving everyone a cheese stick. Are you hungry? I'm going to butter some buns. Alright, I'm adding in these brats. Alright, adding some cheese. Alright, here's what the potatoes and the broths look like. Alright, I'm going to go strain the corn now. Alright, I'm adding butter and salt and pepper to my corn.
No, isn't it 4 days?
Oh, I forgot to get this one. I cut corners where I can. Just kidding. Alright, here is lunch today.
What's in like
And here is how the kids did on their lunches. They did okay. They either like potatoes or they don't, apparently.